Hi everybody, I'm Taylor. I work at Hyatt's, and today we're going to be playing with Sculpey. Sculpey is polymer-based clay. It is oven-baked, non-drying, and non-toxic for pets and kids. I use this with my 3.5-year-old, and we build dinosaurs. But Hyatt's is doing Fabrics Month, and we would like to point out that it can be used beautifully for beads. You can make all sorts of jewelry with it. The clay is easy to work with and easy to smooth. When you've found the right consistency, simply wrap it around a tool or object. I'm using a sculpting tool, the end of it. However, you could use a skewer, you could use anything, a pencil, anything that would create the right opening to string your beads after they've baked. So once you've constructed your beads and you're content with the size of the hole, simply place them on a baking sheet and bake at 275 in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. It's that simple. When they come out, they'll be fully hardened, and you can string on, and you can string your beads on whatever jewelry you would like to. You can make them different sizes and different colors. You can make anything that you want out of Sculpey. You can mix it, you can match it, you can construct just about any form you'd like because it is absolutely versatile. Sculpey can be used to create beads, for fashion, for fun. It is non-toxic, so you can do this with your kids. The baking process is simple, quick. It's 275 in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Sculpey can be used for just about anything. Sculptures, whatever you'd like, and it's a lot of fun to play with. So thanks for playing, and we look forward to seeing you in store as well as seeing your tags on the interweb.